Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to record and take screenshots on your OPPO Reno 7. I will include all available options, but it also works the same way on any OPPO Reno 7 series like Pro or Lite. So first let's go through the screen recording, and you can do it one way. Simply scroll down your toolbar, scroll down again, and here you can find screen recording. Simply press on it, agree and continue, allow, and allow again, and allow again. So now in order to actually record our screen, we'll need to press this red shutter button, and it will start capturing our screen. We can pause it with the pause button, resume it with the resume button, and in order to save our video, press this shutter again, and our video will be saved in our files. Now let's open the screen recording again, press on this cog button, and you'll be able to change two settings: record system sound and record microphone sound. So if you disable it, it won't do it. If you enable it, it will. So now it's enabled, for example, and now it's disabled. Now let's move to the screenshots, and there's actually three ways you can do them. And the first one is to simply press volume up and power key like that, or actually it's volume down key, volume down key and power key like that, and our screenshot is taken. Let's try that again. It's right here. We can press it to open it. We can crop it if we want. Press OK to save it. Now let me show you other ways, but in order to actually do them, we'll need to open our settings, scroll down, go for system settings, and here you can go to gestures and motions or screenshots. So let's go for gestures and motions first, and here you can find two settings. Swipe down with three fingers to take a screenshot. So if you enable it and it's green right here, you'll be able to take the screenshot by swiping down three fingers like that. And as you can see, the screenshot is taken. We can again crop it however we want. The next option is to touch and hold with three fingers to take a screenshot. Let's enable that. Hold our three fingers. Sorry. Now drag and select from which part of the screen you want to take the screenshot for, like that. You can do the makeup or edit the screenshot however you want. You can do it in ellipse as well. In this you can like draw the frame for it if you want, and it basically works like any photo editor. So if you enable both of the settings, you can do the screenshot actually three ways. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.